Ignition and liftoff of the Falcon 9 to the space station on the first commercial launch from Kennedy Space Center's historic Pad 39A.
Pad operations on Pad Net A.
Copy, Wilco.
Stage 1 propulsion nominal.
Power and telemetry on nominal.
Vehicle now going transonic through the sound barrier. Maximum dynamic pressure is reached. Main engine cutoff of the Falcon 9 coming at 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Mission control from Hawthorne, California now, controlling the flight.
LC, this is also on countdown.
Stage separation.
And separation of the first and second stage is confirmed.
Stage 1 is under its flip.
Getting ready for the first stage to re-enter.
Stage 1 boost back burn has started.
And we will be hearing sonic booms here at Cape Canaveral just prior to the landing of the first stage, as the second stage flight continues.
Stage 1 boost back shut down.
Dragon fairing has been jettisoned. We're looking at the burn of the second stage as well as the first stage preparing for its re-entry. Landing fins deployed.
Bermuda acquisition of signal.
Now good data coming in from Bermuda. Second stage continuing to burn well with the Dragon as the first stage continues its re-entry. Data from New Hampshire
Position at New Hampshire.
coming in. There's our confirmation from data from New Hampshire as Bermuda data continues. Second stage data looks good as the first stage re-entry continues. 6 minutes into the flight. First stage re-entry burn is now about to begin.
Stage 1 entry burn has started.
And about a minute from now, we'll have the landing burn.
And stage 1 entry shut down.
First stage AFTS has saved.
Coming up now on the first stage landing. Second stage continues to burn nominally.
Stage 1 is transonic.
First stage coming back to SpaceX.
Landing burn has started.
SpaceX landing site 1. And there are the twin sonic booms.
Landing legs have deployed. Stage 1 touchdown confirmed. Landing operators moving 11.100 on recovery net.
Stage 1 shut down. Meanwhile, we're only about a minute away from the second stage shut off with our Dragon capsule.
Second stage AFTS has saved.
Getting ready for spacecraft separation. Spacecraft separation occurs at 10 minutes 23 seconds. We are now 1 minute away from Dragon spacecraft sep. Second stage has shut off. It looks good, setting up for spacecraft separation here in about a half a minute.
Newfoundland acquisition of signal. Dragon deploy.
And Dragon has separated. Spacecraft separation. Dragon now also able to communicate through the tracking and data relay satellite. Oh, 11 minutes into the mission. Congratulations to the launch team from the Air Force Eastern Range for a good flight.